What's up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, here with the shop, man. We have a couple different builds today. We got some beautiful, unique builds in the shop today. I'm gonna walk you through, man. It's mopar or no car. We got the 392 came out from a customer. We'll be doing the DLR install for him. He brought his own gear, but we're gonna definitely get this one installed for him right now. These street bullies, you can see, man, he's DTX Ton, as you can see him over here on Instagram. But it's a beautiful car, so we got DLRs there. We got this white charger coming in. She wants to get a full spoiler installed in the car, because there has none, as you can tell. This car has no spoiler on it right now, so we're about to get that done. And then we got the beautiful 426 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT, and it is a really fast truck, because obviously you guys know this bad boy here is all-wheel drive. You can see his banner there with the Bart Simpson and the 426 on it. It is a beautiful truck, man. It is a real gorgeous truck, I'm not gonna lie to you, but we're about to get this one, and we're gonna be doing some DLRs on this bad boy with the Ghost module install, so that could be pretty cool, man. Stay tuned if we show you through these builds. So they got this all, the holes done. They got this all sewn in the back of the spoiler. They got the holes and the tab made on it. They got the double-sided tape. We put these holes on there with the things to get this all situated. Now they're about to mount this down and get this going. And over here on this one, as y'all can tell, we got the Jeep completely apart. They're about to start doing the new install for the new headlights and get this one all rocking and rolling and get it out the door, y'all, so stay tuned. To the spoiler install, they are now pre-drilling. The spoiler's already installed, as you can see here on the vehicle. They are now drilling in the holes to get the wicker bill installed on this girl's Charger, I'm sorry, y'all. So this is on the process of, the guys are doing their thing. That happened in the shop, man. We've been blessed to have many different people come into the shop from all across the nation. Y'all have seen it from Terrence Ferguson from the Oklahoma Thunder to other guests in here. We have a very special guest for you, man, from Las Vegas, Nevada, undisputed heavyweight. No, he's the welterweight, right? Welterweight and middleweight champion of the world. What are you? It's the welterweight and middleweight champion of the world. Period. Guaranteed, the fastest. Mr. Floyd Mayweather. What you gotta say, Mayweather?
The Real 14, follow me on Instagram.
He's actually a FedEx guy, man, but I always call this guy Mayweather, because damn it, this man to be looking at me like Mayweather, man. I've been calling you Mayweather for like, what, 5-6 years now? A long time, man, but we're working on his Jeep. He's the one that was the Jeep that y'all saw in that video. And we did the lights before that. And now we're doing the new setup that he got with the new Ghost modules and other stuff. So this is the guy who owns that Jeep. Follow him on Instagram. What's the Instagram?
The Real 14.
He has a beautiful Jeep, man. So stay tuned if we continue these builds. Okay, crew. So now we got Isaac working on the DLRs right there on this table. You can see he got the bumper removed on this one, and we got this one coming back together again with the Jeep, man. So y'all about to see this full build done in a few minutes. He's finishing up the wiring of the Ghost modules and getting everything going. This one should be out in a few minutes. Yeah, I've just put together the Ghost module. You can see it doing this ghosting around right now, going multiple colors, ghosting it in. This is done with the SRT logo on the bottom, also swiping on the Ghost module. This SRT should be ready to be signed, sealed, and delivered in a few minutes, y'all. So we got that going on. Then we got another guest today, man. We got another famous guest today. Another celebrity came in, Mr. Bunzai, runner up in the building. What you want to tell YouTube today?
I'm having a good time with you, Jay.
He wants to say nada because he see what's behind him right now. You see what's behind him right there? You know he's here? I'm just not gonna make him not fall in love with his car, so I'm not gonna do it to him, y'all. Stay tuned. We're at the finale of this build here right now. The guy's car is coming together right now, as you can tell. In fact, let me go ahead and light up these lights for y'all. Hold on. Different kind of steer. This one, the guy got it by the remote control, so you can power it on. You can change the setup that you want to have, everything by a little Bluetooth controller here. You can see, got a single color if he wants to, or you can go down the Flow series and change it however he likes it to be. Watch this, y'all. There you go, Flow series by remote control. This will gonna be signed, sealed, delivered to the client very shortly, man. So we're just grateful that we were able to get this car done for this guy. Gonna come pick it up in a few minutes. We have some sad news. This young man brought a car to get a system installed, and just vlogging for purposes of, you know, communication. But Tony didn't get to call him yet. So when they were doing the installation of the audio, they're running the wire for the power. It shorted out the main harness that goes to the engine, like that whole big harness that goes to the front. And he located the harness from the dealership. Let me see when he tells me to come in. I'll be back with you in a minute. Oh, for security purposes or for the insurance, we just told the customer about this. You called for the harness. They told you when it's gonna be in?
Next Thursday.
So the car could be disabled till next Thursday.
Yeah.
I'll have to park it inside. I don't got a choice. The only one that has the harness is the dealership.
But do we have the space for it though?
We have no choice. We're gonna have to leave the miles outside. I mean, I don't got no choice but to do it. because at this point in time, I can't leave it outside. If something happens to the truck, then it's my responsibility. I can't do anything about it. What you want to do, boss?
I don't have no choice. I can't tow it no way.
I mean, the only thing is, man, whenever you get these mods on these trucks, bro, especially, it's not your fault. Ford. Biggest problem is Ford. All right? Fallopian tubes.
That's the problem. But when they were, hold on. No, this is what happened. When they were doing the wiring to the car, it ran to the fallopian tube. It bursted.
We forgot that.
That's it.
Because your year model is 17.
Right.
They had a factory recall on them. You just got the truck. Not your fault.
You just bought the truck?
Huh?
You just got the truck?
You just bought it.
You didn't go check up on car for like, to know the.
Well,
Those cars have a
I
problem. They got a problem.
and everything.
Yeah, but no, they got a problem with the fallopian tube.
Yeah, it's a fallopian tube. They got a recall on it. It's 2017.
Right.
So
It's 16, 17, 18.
Yeah.
Have a recall on that fallopian tube.
Right.
So it should be free.
I mean, they're not gonna touch it because now they got aftermarket equipment on it.
Yeah,
So now that those touch, they won't touch it. They won't warranty it.
Yeah.
The harness was like $350. You married?
Yeah.
How many wives?
She won.
She can be mad.
She mad now. She don't even know. She want me out of the car.
So here's the thing, man. I want you to come around here. Come around.
Me out of the car.
So the thing about the fallopian tubes,
I'm gonna show you what a fallopian.
come around. So this is how the fallopian tubes work on the car, right? So right here you got the you got an edge, right? You got
State your name to the camera,
Hey, man. That was in my song 12, man. Crazy McGee 12.
So ladies and gentlemen, when you have a 2016, 17, and 18 Ford model truck, you're gonna have fallopian tube issues, okay? So if you guys are paying attention, oh yeah, you definitely gonna be on YouTube, brother. This is AUDIOZONE, man. This is our best right here.
Oh my God, man, I gotta tell my wife about this.
Ladies and gentlemen,
hold on.
it is the return of King Snow.
Let's do something. Let's continue the prank with his wife. Bring his wife inside and continue the joke.
Your ass.
No, man. I want to get in. I want to prank.
My wife don't play.
I want to prank.
She said, what? It was?
Tell her she needs to come inside.
It's gonna be what? Oh no, I'm getting ready to go.
Get her. I'm
She
gonna
shit,
I'll get her, man.
Huh?
She not getting out the car, man.
He must go out there and say something.
We're not gonna say the fallopian tube until.
We'll say Achilles tendon or something. Do Achilles tendon.
You're his wife, right now? How long have you been married? Well, there was an issue when they were doing the installation. I was explaining to him, I know you guys are together. When they were doing the installation and they wired from the battery to the back of the vehicle, it pinched them between the two things. They're gonna recall the force for that, but it burnt the main engine oil. When I go between the computer and the inside, it controls the whole PCM of the car, the power control module, which is the part that runs everything. It caused it to dry out. The harness for the engine.
No, it's not okay.
It's not it's a big deal.
We're gonna.
It is a big deal. The car doesn't run or it doesn't turn on or nothing.
We're gonna have to keep it here till Thursday. I mean, hopefully we can get it shipped by Thursday, but
Leadership doesn't have the part by Thursday. I don't have a car. We don't have a
we don't have a loaner vehicle out there.
I don't have a loaner at all. Why would you be staying?
Is that okay with you? After 20 years?
That's how it is after 20 years of marriage? Why would you do that to him?
You're giving me a lot of encouragement right now.
I don't want to get married no more.
I don't either.
That's tough love.
That's oh,
So it's
okay.
his
So
fault.
you're coming with that old
Why is it
school.
his fault?
find out that no.
But it's not. It's just making things in his car. What was your name? Lucy. So what happened with the car when they were running the wire through the fallopian tube began to leak and you stuff all over the place?
Well, when you run stuff through a lady, you get pregnant.
I love that.
The cars don't really have it the same as the others. It's a different kind of section.
I don't know what to tell you.
It leaked. After Friday leaked. So by Thursday we'll have to ship. If that's okay with you. But the thing, I mean, we just want to, because we know when a man's married, we want to speak to both. We don't want to just do one. It's out of respect for the.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Man, show me the fallopian tube or whatever.
So, come here, computer, come here. He'll show you right now. Come on, get inside, he'll show you.
These are the fallopian tubes that we.
I forgot to tell you guys, she's in the medical field. Sorry, hold on, man. I thought y'all was gonna make something else.
I didn't have time to Google it. She jumped out the car quick.
I'm like, oh shit, you don't know that.
You on YouTube.
You a star today. You had your hair laid on purpose.
She's already got red hair, like she red hot already, like she like about to kill him. But no, nothing happened to this car. Come here. Yo, it's done. It's I'll be delivering the car to you in a few minutes, man. I'll get you out the door.
I appreciate it.
AUDIOZONE just playing around here with Tony still having fun with our clients, man. Be back in a few.
Thank you.
Got the guy's truck. He's watching the video, of course, of the AUDIOZONE. He said I'm gonna make you fall in love with what?
Yeah. With a challenge.
With the Challenger? I love my Challenger. My baby, I love her dearly, man. She's my baby, but we got your reveal is more important. So I got it done, we tuned it. I can go a lot higher, but I put it where it sounds clean with the audio inside, all the tones, everything done. Come in front and see your vehicle. Come in front and get this boy his reveal. The wife is still here. No, she left, guys. Look, she goes. She like, I ain't playing around with y'all. She left. Boy, she was not playing around. She work in the medical field?
Yeah.
What did she do?
She told she go kick my ass when the.
Oh man, we got domestic violence on AUDIOZONE, man, with this young man here, man. Damn it, man. But you know, it was all fun and game, man. You know what I'm saying? It's all fun and game, but I hope she didn't get mad, but But this is your baby. He got a beautiful F-150 truck, y'all. It's a gorgeous truck. The color's unique. It's got everything to think about. Now we're gonna let him hear his audio and see what he thinks. Come on down. Go to the driver's seat, 'cause that's where you belong. All right, y'all, let me give him a reveal of audio. I'll be back to you in a minute. Car for the first time, what are you thinking?
I'm coming to see you, brother.
Oh man, we already came to see you. You're gonna come and see us again.
Yes, I'll be back.
Oh man, he got the factory deck on his car. We did a Pro Box ported for him with the Pioneer amplifier on his install. He's 100% done, ready to go. This one should be signed, still deliver. Tony, what do you think?
Hey, I put my stamp and signature on it, man. It's good to go.
It's ready to go, y'all.
Thank you, man.
So she's all good to go, man. We're gonna thank you guys all for watching, man. Thank you guys for the support. But we got one more reveal to do to another customer and get it done.